find the volume of this 3D composite below. Now when you see the word composites, that you have two or more shapes that you needed to find formulas for. Okay, so you have to break the figure apart. And so down here we see a hemisphere on top, cylinder on the bottom, leave answer in terms of pi. Okay, so we have us a hemisphere. We're doing volume, so let's go over here to volume. And we don't have a formula for hemisphere, but we do for sphere, so we'd have to cut this in half. All right, so we're going to write that down, and we said we had a cylinder. We want this one, that's capital B, is the pi r squared. Okay, so it'd be the cylinder plus a hemisphere. Okay, so pi r squared times h plus the 4/3 pi r to the third. Don't forget to divide that by 2, or you can multiply that by 0.5. Okay, same thing. Let's get started. So I've got pi r squared h plus 4/3 pi r to the third, and then you can either divide this by 2, or here off to the side here put times the 0.5. Okay, so we're multiplying here. Now I went ahead and I get the entire formula, and then I remember terms and leave answer in terms of pi. So when I come down, I'm just going to go ahead and write down r squared times h plus 4/3 times r to the third times 0.5. That's my taking the sphere and dividing it by 2. Now I don't have to worry about pi. When it says in terms of pi, all I have to do is get this answer, and then notice it'll have pi next to it when I go to finalize my answer. Okay, where radius is the 4, so you would do 4 squared times 5, height for the cylinder, plus 4/3 times the radius is still the same. Don't forget that has to be to the power of 3. Okay, and then times the 0.5 for half of the sphere.